everybody, I'm gonna do this unboxing here. I've been shopping for the Sephora Spring Savings event, which is the April 9th through the 19th. So here I go. Okay, what did I get in this one? This one's really light, so that's the heaviest box right there. Got the Dior, where's the focus? Dior Addict Hyaluronic Plumper, if I can read, 013. So this, I was just restocking this. My dog wants to come in now. Lip plumper. Okay, so I'm going to go get my dog. So this is a nude shade, and I really like this. I didn't like it at first. I guess I gotta go get my dog. Chloe's gonna say hi. Whoop, there's Chloe. Chloe. Okay, so I'm gonna put Chloe out. I like this lip plumper from Lip Maximizer from Dior, and sometimes it's quite painful because it has a plumping effect, which I didn't like it at first, really didn't like it. So, and then the samples I picked out, I didn't pick, they didn't give me the samples I picked. Glam Glow, Passion Fruit Softening Night Cream, Lancome Genifique. I didn't order these ones. So that's kind of a bummer. So I'll probably be passing those on. So box number 2. Wow, we got a lot of noise. Number 2. Okay, this is what I did ask for. The Hair Sweet Hair Gummies with benefits. I really like this so much. I've been getting these, and so I ordered a whole jar of these hair vitamins. And Valentino perfume, the new Eau de Parfum. And what did I get? Oh my gosh, I thought this was supposed to come on, is this a surprise? I thought this was supposed to come on Friday. This is the Glam Palette. This is the Natasha Denona Glam Palette. So I got the little one. Let me go grab that. I got this mini Glam Palette, which I loved so much. Then I decided I had to get it, the big one, because it was on sale, and I don't know. I really like these little palettes, but not all the color stories are for me. I'm more of a neutral person. So let's look at the Glam Palette. I'm excited. So I'm gonna do a video on this at some point in the future. Oh, you can see my camera. That's kind of interesting. So this is the Natasha Denona Glam Palette, and it's very pretty. Ooh, oh my goodness. See, oh, there I am. You don't want to see me. Okay, we'll just have to angle it away. That's pretty. I like that. Where are the colors in this palette? Okay, hold on for a second. So just, I don't know what correlates at this point. This one's really pretty. This looks like a pink. Well, all the colors are pretty. I think this is gonna look a lot better on me than the, what was the other one? The bronze palette. I gave it to my daughter. So there's that. I'm excited about this. I got another hum. I like these. And then, unfortunately, yeah, they gave me something It looks like they gave me, no, that was something I bought. Yeah, I didn't order this rare beauty sample, but I'm gonna try it. I'm kind of bummed. I don't remember what I originally ordered. So here is, I used my points to get this Dylan Blue Versace, I guess it's a perfume, yeah. So, is it a roller ball? Oh, it's kind of nice. It's a roller ball. Unfortunately, I can't get it to focus. And then I got, with my points, the It Confidence in a Cream. So it's just a little cream, face cream for all skin types. And what else did I get? Oh, okay, so I got this candle that I saw another beauty YouTuber get. This Wellness Wild Mint and Eucalyptus candle. And I just thought the packaging was pretty. Well, hopefully it smells good. I'm sure it will. Oh wow, look at that. So here's the candle. It smells really strong. Yeah, it leans more to the eucalyptus. The mint is a little bit it's a little overpowered by the eucalyptus. It's not like an equal. I would have liked a little bit I would have liked a little bit less on the eucalyptus, because eucalyptus is pretty strong, but we'll see how I like it when I light it. Okay, very strong. Okay, so the final item that I got, oh, it's a lot smaller than I thought it was going to be, but it was a good value. I got this little, oh, this would make such a nice gift. This says $45 US, $87 value. Nest Perfume Oils collection, and it comes with Seville Orange, Indian Jasmine, Turkish Rose, South Pacific Sandalwood, and Madagascar Vanilla. So the two ones that I wanted was these two ones on the end. I wanted to smell the orange and the vanilla. So these other ones are just a bonus. So let's go ahead and open this up. Sorry about the focusing. I just, it's not focusing. Oh, look at that. That's interesting. The roller ball is metal. Okay, so the orange, it smells like a type of orange. Other than that, I can't explain it to you. It's nice. Okay, so I want to try the vanilla one. Madagascar Vanilla. Okay. Oh yes, this one smells good. But yeah, I was gonna get the bigger one, but actually I'm glad I got these little sample sets, because actually it's kind of strong now. We'll see how it smells when it wears down. It's a little bit I don't know, it's kind of strong right now. Let me go back to the orange. The orange is very nice and sweet. The Madagascar Vanilla. It smells a little powdery. I don't know, it's really hard to describe fragrance on you know, with words. I don't know, I find it really challenging. Okay, so Indian Jasmine Perfume Oil. I'm going to put this on my hand here. Oh, that's nice. Oh, yes, I smell the jasmine. Jasmine is it smells really good. I also like jasmine tea. That's interesting. You can have jasmine perfume and jasmine tea. So let's look at I had another item with the Turkish rose before. It was face oil, and I didn't particularly like that scent, but let's see how this one is. Yeah, it smells similar to the face oil I got, but it's nice. It smells a little bit, it's not overpowering. It smells a little bit sweet. It's a nice perfume. And the last one, South Pacific Sandalwood. I'm gonna put some, I have perfume all over me. Yeah, this smells like sandalwood. It's not as strong as some other sandalwoods that I've smelt. It's nice. Maybe you can mix it with other. It's not. Sandalwood smells good, but it's not my favorite. I think out of these, I think the orange is my top, and then the vanilla. Let's go back to the orange. I forgot where I rolled it. Yeah, I think the Seville orange is my favorite of these, and I believe I will just pass these other three on. I'll pass these on to friends that if they're interested in those, and I'll just keep these. But these are really nice to carry in your purse, because I don't feel like they're gonna get broken. So anyway, what I was saying is I had this. It's a double-sided roller ball of Juicy Couture, and it's in a glass, and it's connected with. It's like connected like this, and it's longer. And anyway, I don't like to carry that in my purse because I'm afraid that it's going to break and spill perfume all over. But these little bottles, you know, they're smaller and they feel pretty sturdy. I don't think that those are going to really break in my purse. So anyway, I guess that's it for now. Hope you enjoyed this video. I got to test out this candle here, and I'm excited about the Natasha Denona Glam Palette. I will work on doing a video with this at some point, and I believe I ordered some other items previously, but I wasn't really gonna, I might talk about them in the future. And then I think the only other items I'm getting is I'm getting the bottle of the hair vitamins. I'll show you that later. I don't believe I'm getting any other items. Anyway, I've been kind of going crazy with the shopping, and sometimes it's nice to go shopping just for fun. Anyway, hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Please click the like button, and consider subscribing to my channel, and I'll see you next time. Bye everybody.